Yeah, today we have a two-part video for you. The first part is going to be my buddy's L&L barbecue shop, where we updated his menu boards, and then he hired us a second time to do a 1x2 menu board at his new soft serve location at 1030 Florin Road. And then the second half will be part 2 of 1100 Alhambra Boulevard, so let's go check it out. We're installing this 1x2 from a pole, so we're installing some unistrut into the ceiling. This is Keith getting the mount ready and all the measurements ready. So right here, you put the mount on top of the unistrut and then thread the pole below. And we screwed that unistrut to the ceiling joist there, and then we added 2 other L brackets to support the unistrut through the joist, so it's double supported. The customer wanted this thing right in front of his glass window there, and that was a peerless 5-foot pole. It worked perfect. And these are 2 Samsung commercial 43-inch displays that we're using. The same brand that we use for his menu board next door at his L&L barbecue. So this is the mock-up we did on the floor to get the height, so we knew exactly where to set the TVs above his glass storefront there. Came out really clean too. All the wires come down the pole. Enclosures on the back hide all the connections. Keith's measuring at the ceiling tile here so I can get the cutout perfectly for that pole, so I can stick it back in to the ceiling and make it look clean. And these are 2 USB cables we ran from the displays back inside his little office area so he can update his menu board without having to go out to the screens on the outside. So this is their old static menu board that they had installed originally. And this is us upgrading during their remodel, putting in their new digital signage menu board. Some peerless mounts.
What did Ben do for you?
Install our new menu boards.
So
before we just had the regular menu boards, not animated. And since we switched over, we have steam coming out of the rise. It's easier to read. Customers really like it. A 6-hour job. It was one day in and out. Very You guys are always professional. We're so happy that we were gonna install some menu boards at our new place over just a couple stores down.
Yeah, we're back at 1100 Alhambra Boulevard. This is part 2 of a video we made a couple weeks ago. We're gonna finish installing the wireless access point today and 2 speakers inside the media wall. We're gonna show you guys the finished product.
Look at Kirsten with her orange gloves, high-vis gloves. Here's the wireless access point we didn't get to install the first time. We got Tony mounting it to the beam there right by the entrance. Now the digital poster is working wirelessly. Here we are upstairs with the new data cabling that wasn't ran last time. Cable management. All right, we have to come back one more time. We thought we were gonna finish this trip. We thought we were gonna finish this install in 2 trips, but one of the extenders didn't work. We tested the wire was good. We've rechecked the extender because we have 2 sets and our transmit didn't work, so we have to come back one more time. But we got the WAP up. We got both displays playing content and playing audio temporarily. We're leaving the left side open, so as people come in, that side's working. So we're gonna make a 3rd trip to finish this guy. We'll see you guys next time. All right, so that's it. 2 menu boards for the same customer, 1100 Alhambra updated. We went back one more time. We got it up and going. It's working. We'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. Hit stop, hit start.